Microsoft's Surface Duo is a unique dual-screen Android smartphone, though Microsoft says the Duo isn't actually a phone. Anyways, this device folds up like a book, supports a Surface Pen, and will come preloaded with Microsoft apps. Now we have some specifications coming from Windows Central, according to which the phone will ship with two 5.6-inch AMOLED screens which can rotate 360 degrees and transform it into a 8.3-inch tablet when unfolded. For performance, there's an older Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC with 6GB of RAM and storage options of 64GB or 256GB. As for battery, it will come with a rather small 3460 mAh battery considering it's powering two screens. Let's see which kind of magic Microsoft will use to make it last longer, and it supports fast charging through USB-C port. There is also a fingerprint sensor for authentication and a nano SIM slot. Windows Central further says the device will pack 11 megapixel cameras for both the front and the rear facing lenses. In terms of operating system, the Duo will ship with Android 10. However, it should receive Android 11 relatively quickly. Microsoft wants to finalize the pre-installed apps until the next month, and all of the first-party apps will support spanning both displays and drag-and-drop features at launch. The bad thing is that the report says no NFC or wireless charging as of now. Given these moderate specs, the Surface Duo certainly won't be the best or fastest phone out there, but it just might be the one folding screen design that truly takes off. There's still no word on how much the phone will actually cost, so it's not clear whether it makes sense to compare the Surface Duo to modern flagships priced at around $800 or mid-range models more like iPhone SE and Pixel 3a. And given that Microsoft chose to go with Snapdragon 855, meaning that this won't be a super expensive phone. But it's likely that decision wasn't made to save money so much as it was to avoid having to include a 5G modem in this phone. Yes, Surface Duo won't have 5G connectivity. So that's all for now. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.